In today's day and age, it seems like there is no shortage of good online business ideas. And to be honest, the truth is the internet has really made it easy to create a business. With just a website, you can almost reach anybody in any location in the world, and then just target the right people with the right offering, and you would be making your own money in no time. Other benefits of running an online business include cost savings, increased flexibility, and less paper waste. So if you're quietly contemplating the idea of starting something on your own, here is a list of the best small online business ideas that are within reach of almost anyone who's willing to put in the drive and take the plunge. Starting off at number 1, we have SEO Consultant. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it says SEO specialists are the frontline workers providing not only consulting but hands-on internet marketing fulfillment services month to month to enable business owners to boost their company online visibility for all marketing channels, with the end result being earning more targeted search engine traffic and business leads. So essentially, if you know the ins and outs of search engines and have technical skills in platforms like Google Ads and Google Analytics, becoming an SEO consultant could be an option for you. Many small business owners don't realize how much of an impact search engine optimization can have on their business. So you can start your online consulting business by educating those owners on the power of SEO to help transform their websites, in return increases their conversion rates. Then next, you could use your marketing skills to show business owners the benefits of using analytics data, strategic keywords, and content structure to gain more organic web traffic. But you do have to keep in mind that Google's algorithm is always changing, so it's good to keep your knowledge up on SEO and stay relevant and successful in this field. Coming in at number 2, we have a small business consultant. If you look at the second bullet point, it says a business consultant, by definition, is an advisor who helps organizations discover their issues and suggest solutions to improve operational strength. So if you have a great deal of business experience and knowledge, why not create a business that helps aspiring entrepreneurs find success? As a business consultant, you could use your skills to help new business owners get off to a good start and help the experienced entrepreneurs keep up with demand. Your chances of success are greater if you focus your strategy on the niche aspect of a business consulting. It's a whole lot easier, trust me. Coming in at number 3, we have a social media consultant. A social media consultant is an individual who specializes in social media strategy and planning. Companies and clients often contract their services to develop and improve a company's social media presence through marketing techniques and strategic practice. In addition to helping companies locate areas for growth, they also help companies set goals for social media campaigns. So larger enterprises can hire an agency or a full-time staff member to run their social media accounts. A lot of times small businesses often have to handle their own social media marketing. So with when they have all their responsibilities, business owners are often too busy, overwhelmed, or either undereducated about what they're dealing with, about social media in general, and how important it is. As a social media consultant, you can help small businesses determine the best tactics, posting schedules, and you can choose the right content for their target audience. As their follower count grows, so will your business. Facebook and Twitter are still the top business networks, but a lot of businesses often tend to struggle with more visual platforms like apps like Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Snapchat. Most of these platforms have a huge consumer audience, but many businesses don't realize how big they are. They don't realize how effective they can be and how to make them work for their brand. If you have a background in social media marketing and a passion for photography, focusing your consulting business on one specific platform like Instagram can be a great way to make money while helping other businesses improve their content and achieve their business goals. Coming in at number 4, we have a web designer and a web developer. A web designer is an IT professional who is responsible for designing the layout, the visual experience, and the usability of a website. A good web designer needs to have both a creative graphic skills and technical skills. They need to be able to visualize how a site will look and how it will function. Starting off with the second bullet point, it says the term web designer is often incorrectly interchanged with the term web developer, and vice versa. A web developer is often more likely to be a software developer who works with programming languages to create a higher level of interactions on a website, such as the integration with a database system. If you are a creative digital professional who thrives on forming the layout, things like the visual theme, the font set, and the color palette of the website, freelance web designing may be a good path for you. But if you are more interested in the coding side of building websites, freelance web development might be your wheelhouse. If you already know like HTML and all that all that stuff, and you have a good eye for solving problems with creative solutions, you can launch a service to build attractive, easy to use websites for small businesses. Just put your technical and creative skills to a good use and show business owners who want to take their online presence to the next level. From there, you can build a pretty good portfolio, then create your own website to show it off and attract a steady stream of clients. Coming in at number 5 is an affiliate marketer. Now this is where I make most of my money. I guess I can kind of give some, hints or whatever. I run a YouTube channel where I make informational videos on this certain subject, and from there, at the end of the video, I just tell them to, if they're looking for a certain kind of product, I have it in my description. They click that link to find that product. That link is tracking them. If they buy that product, I get a commission. That's essentially affiliate marketing. We'll go into it deeper just because I feel like this is one of the easiest options on this list to make some money, because it's when you start making money, it's passive income. That's what it starts to become. It's passive income, and that's why I recommend affiliate marketing so much. If you love leaving customer reviews on sites like Amazon whenever you order something, you may want to look into affiliate marketing as a source of income. Word of mouth advertising is still I think a huge lead generator for many companies, and many businesses are willing to share a portion of their profits with a persuasive individual who promote their products to the public and get more sales coming into their business. Affiliate programs break down into different levels of involvement: unattached, related, and involved sometimes. Unattached affiliate marketing is a basic pay-per-click campaign that requires a little to no involvement with the product you are promoting. Related affiliate marketing requires you to have some authority and content on the product you are marketing, but you really don't have to use the product personally. Then last is involved affiliate marketing is perhaps the most effective, as you'll be marketing a product that you'll actually use and enjoy. If you have a personal website or a social media presence with a large following, affiliate programs may be a profitable approach for you. I hope you all found this video helpful. I highly recommend just trying all of the listed businesses, because you can build up your experience and really understand what you want to do. All of the businesses will build up your knowledge across all of e-commerce, so it really can't hurt. If you found any value throughout this video, please just do me a big favor and click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, then be sure to subscribe. And with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.